Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from NOKIA Device to LG G7 Fit. Firstly, go into Play Store on both smartphones to download free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now you need to set it up. In order to do that, click on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. Then to close it, hit OK. Now click on Close in white pop-up at the top. And finally, select Send at the bottom left corner of Nokia. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of LG. Also on Nokia, thanks to all of those categories available at the top, select all of your files that you wish to send. In some of those categories, like Contacts, hit Allow a couple of times and then access your files. When you finished, select Send next to Selected at the bottom and hit Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now it's time to decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order and then hit Receive. If you prefer to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Select Allow in the pop-up and point your LG's camera at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!